Award-winning actor Christopher McFarlane has passed away. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Award-winning actor Christopher McFarlane has passed away. McFarlane had a stellar career in the local theatre and film industry. While still a student at Edna Manley College of the Visual and Performing Arts, McFarlane was nominated for an Actor Boy Award for his performance in Dennis Scott's The Echo in the Bone. He eventually won the Actor Boy Award for supporting actor for his performance in Buzzer Dawkins' Who God Bless, and follows that with another award, this time for Best Actor in a Lead Role. Up to the publication of this report, it's unclear what led to his passing. Links 070 will have more report to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.